kusho ngathi obit yakora ayithathi league.
Kanti ayikoranga yini?
Sanibona bafethu igama lami nguSanele aka uDonse Nkaba bafethu. It's been a long time. So bafethu besafuna ukutesta nje ukuthi kwenzakalani. Sinawo abalandeli siyabona ukuthi hayi bafethu nikhona nisikhumbule futhi ngoba nisendela ama message ama DM nisibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani. So bafethu we are back. Njengesonke simhlophe njengenjalo bafethu ngihamba nesibuda kanjani
Shop konjani
hayi bafethu sahamba ilinkinga akapheli nangenjwa kusho ngathi bafethu magisi kusho ngathi obit ayithatha ilink ayo kusho ngathi obit yakora ayithathi league.
kanti ayikoranga yini?
yakora
But mina league ngagcina kuyibuka ilelo kun before kudlala ilokhu nje Durban City ne Orlando Pirates ngagcina lapho yabo ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi iPirates kwakumele ikore lapho yangakora then ayike bafethu yakora ke Obit College yaphela ileague yaphila kanjalo. So wabona kanjani umdlalo welokhunje Obit College ne Orlando Pirates?
Nginibingelele ma followers ma subscribers zethu sibuda libuda lo sibute libute ngoba ukhona wayilitshontsha leli gama leli engalazi umlando walo ngibuye kuloko sibuyile ku starting 11 sibonga umdala ukuthi usasigcinile umphefumulo uhlangene nenyama. Nami ngayigcina lapho okay sekuyileague neCAF futhi ifinal yayingakadlali. Ngicanga ukuthi sagcina na ngelokhujana nge-first leg
yeCAF final
ileague futhi nayo yayingakapheli. So final game ye-league it was a drama. Mina bengilalela ngathi ngise police station ngisetify iphoyisa lathi umuntu avela akore bese ayahleka. Yabo ngizwa abantu bethi mina ngizange ngisho lutho angikaze ngisho lutho. Ngingene ku TikTok ngifika ukuthi wakubona apha umuntu ashaya igoli ngakubo bese ayahleka. Akekho okhathazekile, akekho umuntu obebamba ikhanda umbona ukuthi ubhlungu ngisho nakuphela igame abekho abaguqa babheke phansi babamba amakhanda kusha abantu. Yabo then ke yaphakanyiswa ngiyaqala nqa ukuthi wakwayiwina ileague last 2 games ungakoranga ngisho negoli elilodwa uyiwini. Yabona i-team yami le yaphesheya yayiwina ileague ihlelele kubo le nani kodwa umdlalo elandelayo yadlala yakora yayiwina futhi leyo game. Ngapha eMzansi 2 consecutive games no goal and you end up lifting the angiyazi mina ngicela ukuthi owake oyazi umlando webhola nama games amanye wakwayibona ukuthi umuntu adlale imidlalo yokugcina u2
kumele akore igoli elilodwa win
ayithathi angisho ukuthi akwenzeki nani
but akaze kwenze because neChiefs ngiyakhumbula there was a time kumele ikore 1 goal kumele idraw in the last 3 games ikuze win ileague. Yagcina ingayiwinanga. Kuyenzeka mhlawumbe umuntu abe nama point amaningi ashiya unumber 2 ngo11 points. Lapho ke mhlawumbe ngadlala noma 3 games alose angawini. Angazi kodwa makukhona niyaziyo cela niphawule lapha
well done to Orlando Pirates bayiqukulile. I-Orbit College yenze njani kuma playoffs cause mayidliwa leya game kwakufanele iwine ukuze kuzoba ngcono. Yadlala lapha kuma playoffs ngagcina kungayihambeli. Ayidlalanga straight to ehlathini.
Straight nje to ehlathini and ilokhunja ngifuna ngathi ehlathini futhi ngathiwa straight to ABC Motsepe. Yabo i-Orbit College dangerous nje asifuni kulama structure serious.
I-Orbit College yenza enye into. Iyakwazi ukupostpone ama games icabangela ukuthi le stadium edlala kuso i-capacity yakhona incane. So ayifuni i-stadium esikhulu izokwazi ukuthi i-accommodate abalandeli azo. Kodwa umdlalo owawufuneka iu-adjust we-Sundowns yanqaba yanqaba hayi ke ukuthi lapho kwakwenzelwa abalandeli cha i-team yeMamelodi Sundowns yayifisa ukuthi adjust usondezwe lo mdlalo mangaphosisi usondeze ukusondeza igame not ukuthi kushintshe i-stadium nani kodwa yakwazi ukupostpone igame thiwa ihlehlile igame ye-Orbit College ngenxa yokuthi icabangela abalandeli be-opponent bezogcwala kahle bezodlala kahle
stadium
esikhulu futhi imihlehla 2 times
Orbit College be various it's a good riddance
yabo
it's a good riddance bafethu because awukwazi lento leyani is uncalled for yenza i-league yethu ibukeke because angifuni nqamanga Orlando Pirates I can bet my last money idlala ne-Orbit College izoshaya nje clean. Orlando Pirates ayidingi mfethu ama own goals from Orbit College. No. Sisengayithathi kancane Orlando Pirates bafethu. Orlando Pirates is a big team. Phandle nje kokudlala it's a big team inabadlali abantswempu attacker kamnandi. It didn't need i-Orbit College ukuze ikorela ama own goals. But ke kwenzeka and abadlali sebeyahleka. What kind of
nanso ke into exakayo
football is dead. Ungathi lokhunja bethi status sakho bethu usihamba you are earning 60,000 you earn 10,000 uyajabula. What's fun about that?
Wala ukhombisa kulokhuja nanokuthi ukeeper ukhipha ibhola leyanto lena wayekwakuphepha oqala ngqayenza leyanto ukuthi uyahamba uyamdlula umdlali
uyoshaya kanje
ubheka ipali lakho bese uqhimfa ibhola ubhekise epaleni lakho kuba yigoli
uthi under pressure ke from corner
yabo at least wayengama linda ukuthi lelo bhola lihead ekukhulunywa ukuthi umdlalo wePirates uhedile but if wayezohead liphuma eceleni kwepali ibhola
wathi hayi ngiyanibona ukuthi ngiyankorela ke manje
congratulations to Orlando Pirates but abantu ababuka le league isithunzi sayo siyehla
and mawusesha futhi mawusesha lapha ukuthi who owns Orlando i-Orbit College basho ukuthi owner i-Orbit College and they have a serious relationship with the Orlando Pirates ukuthi abamento baboleka ama player and lo mdlalo wakho i-second on goal waye captain we-Orlando Pirates kwi-DDC
anizweni
so umdlalo we-Orlando Pirates loya wakora wahleka futhi
so asazi kona kuyikuphi kodwa izinto ezingama fact esinjalo kanjalo nabanye abathi bafuna okay yayithatha ileague ngenzwa bethu ukuthi ngazathi bafuna i-CAF Champions League kule season entsha ezoqala no come on you can't be uhluleka ukudlala i-CAF initial league season uhluleka ukuqualifyela ukudlala nje iCAF bese next season uzoyosha ifinal yeCAF uyiwin even the Kaizer Chiefs fanele ibheke lapha kwilokhujana kwiCONCACAF laphana idlale khona iwine iqukule then izothike manje the following season isifuna iCAF Champions League because iCAF Champions League iyalwelwa iyajulukisela iminyaka yabo uma ungwase South Africa ukuze uthathe iCAF Champions League uzophuma kuma quarter final uphume kuma semi final uphume kwi-final so you always jump la
like uyayithiza ukuthi okay you get experience ngeke usuku ungayidlalanga last year awuyidlalanga next year uyayiwina
ngeke kufanele uthole experience because lama team abanye babo banabadlali abadlala phesheya uthole iskill sokuthi ama opponent a international nawa overseas uwa defeat kanjani egroundini yabo ucoach azi ukuthi ama opponent angaphandle ahlulwa kanjani because ayikho team la eSouth Africa ne experience ukuhlula la ama team angazi noma la eSouth Africa ama team ayahluleka yini ukutadisha ama team ase-Africa ikakhulukazi lama team athenga ko Brazil athenga kwamanye amazwe uyatadisha abadlali babe ne-experience babe ne-fitness ukuthi uma ngibhekele nalabadlali labana I have to be confident uma ngiphethe ibhola uma ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukutapate indoda ngiyakwazi kudlule kushawa amathathu kukhahlele epalini kungeni udefeat nje ukeeper uyi-striker saseningizimu Afrika umdefeat ukeeper le nakhona udefeat ubani ukeeper bangale Brian Leon ngoba uqhamuka ngale sifuna striker abantu ama-winger azoba nesibindi ukuthi siyawashaya ama-international teams bese sizokwazi ukuthi sikhandeni ibafana
yeah ne but I mina I wish Orlando Pirates good luck ku-CAF le season ya 2026 to 2027 because ayikwazi ukuthi Sundowns ilwe yodwa bafethu iPirates is capable ukuthi i-compete nawe at the highest level we wanna see omfuking le bedlala ama semi-final nama-final
nami ngiyakufisa lokho
bedlala impela bedlala ama semi-final bedlala o-final ye-CAF yabo because asikwazi ukuba ne-playoff the season eSouth Africa kodwa engayidlalanga i-CAF that is just embarrassing
yabona ke enye into futhi uma ngabe eyidlala ama team ala eSouth Africa njengePirates izoya ixoxisana nobani ama players ukuthenga ama players ubani ozoshaya amagoli kwi-CAF Champions League kwiPirates uma iya nale scheme eyenaso manje abazoshaya amagoli obani against Esperance sekuthiwa Orlando Pirates versus AS Tunis ubani ozoshaya amagoli
umqansi
ubani uzamalek angithi
iqualifyile ku-Champions League
manje iyabuya no Pyramids no
bani izobidlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs
Al
okay then ake size kwi-Lekhonji Mamelodi Sundowns winning CAF Champions League
yeah well play lapha iSundowns ifika kwi-final yefinal yokugcina ine advantage iwina ngo-1-0 yabo
iqala ekhaya
yaqala kwi-home yawina ngo-1-0 okusho ukuthi ama opponent abo kwakubaphoqa ukuthi bavuleke ba-attack ngoba phela ukuba beza ngokudefend babe ngeke phela bakore bawin babe trailer wona
ayibayipressa man Sundowns the first few minutes
yabo
ayibayipressa man
yangena iSundowns itshengisa ukuthi izodlala la
the team became a completely different team as far Rabat and enye into labantu base North efithi game udlala ungakafika e-stadium the moment ulenda nje airport this one will harass you bro they will harass you, they will harass your fans but luckily Sundowns is used to that yabo
yazi enye into strategical engiyizwayo ukuthi iSundowns yasuka isi-organizele i-transport yayo yale
before isuka remember baqale efuna ukusuka early Sundowns baqale bangayiniki permit ama landing rights because iSundowns ifly private yabo i-chartered flight so iSundowns kushuthi yabona uthola laba bafuna udlalisa kabi
sabotage yes
so banqaba iLekhonji ibus yabo banqaba ne stadium i-ground not i-stadium i-ground le training facility
ba organize ukudla kwabo i-training ground yabo
yonke into yabo
ibhasi yeSundowns abafunanga lutho okwangale iclub yaseMorocco ngithi
yes because enye into i-AS FAR Rabat enye into ama team aseMorocco yabona mfethu mathiwa lese senze example ngeTheku to mele nisuke elokhunje King Shaka niye elokhunje niye mhlawumbe let's South Beach yabo because niye hotel bazonidryisa fethu bazonidryisa mhlawumbe benikhiphe ngo Springfield nishone le ni dry nizonibona ukuthi hayibo ngoba phela fethu ningahamba 2 hours
banikhiphe
emlokhunya 30 minutes benidryise nje benidryise because banifikisa nifike nikhathele le ehotel anenze yonke so isandams avela athi no sizoyiqashela ibus lethu sizotholela udriver wethu
basuke from point A kube into even ihotel so tholela indawo yokulala ba organizele yonke into ngokwabo yakwazi ukuthi kufike kudlalwe ifinal.
What do you think about igoal laMkwena?
Yabona lapha yana noma ngathi ukhipha wayeseqopheni eliphezulu kanjani. Leliya bhola lahamba phezulu angazi lashiyana nama inches amangaki kwi crossbar. Ngicabanga ukuthi layishaya i-top net.
Layishaya
seliya phansi.
Laphinde layishaya futhi.
Kwakuyi force goal like umuntu okwazi ukukora leliya goal ngambiza yabona umuntu ongalazi ibhola ongakaza libuke angathi uma ebuka leliya goal athi lo muntu okore le goal i-goal specialist. Kanti manje angeke ngikwazi ukusho njalo mina ngoba phela i-midfielder leyana inomsebenzi wokuthi imake i-defense laphana ifaka kodwa masithola ithuba lokuthi ikhahlele epalini idlula ama-strikers ngendlela eshaya i-goal. Well yabona i-South Africa okay ake ngimcredit noSibelebele for lama goal akha anokwashaya lapha bese kuba umkwena yabo ukora kwabantu abangadlali forward
angawona umsebenzi wabo ukuthi benze leyo
and bashaya ama spectacular goal balishaya igoli kwakuyigoli lesingakhi lesibili
bangithi waqala i-AS5 athola ipenalty kwaba 1-1 aggregate then waseshaya umkwena lolu before because lama goal I think ashana ngo 2 minutes because i-AS5 ayishaya ngo 40 I think umkwena ashaya ngo 42 lapho before kuyo i-AS5 ayishaya ngo 40 something la kwase edwa 7 minutes kwaku additional time is umkwena wayishaya ngo 45 umkwena 45 plus
mina naphezulu 2-1 on aggregate
fethu
babe khona lapha abaperforma omfana Cupido
fighter le yabona mfethu siyeza kubafana abafana yabona mfethu leliya goal athi umkwena ngashalela goal because angivele licounter kabili angabona i-body language lama players because they were like 6 of them babebuya abanye bezo defend but ngabona i-body language yabo esho ukuthi
and futhi babeyidlala i-rough uma ngabe ureferee ejudge penalize bona bamlwisa ureferee labana ngababuka kahle phela ngikakakhohle so banalento yabo le abangafuni ukuyiyeka.
While we talking about experience eCAF remember ilokhunja iOrlando Pirates akhipha iLupopo remember kulomdlalo weLupopo lapha eOrlando nePirates isikhathi iPirates iziwina ngo1-0 ikhavalwa iziwina ngo3-0 ikhavalwa 3-0 abayishaya ngayo kwayo kuma penalty badla kuma penalty remember idrama yayilapha kuliwa kuthola ama red card so labantu laba bale note bazokudlalisa kabi wena indlela to show experience lala phansi bembhali so iSundowns yenze njalo ukuthi uma ungidlalisa kabi ngiyalala even umdawo sebeyifundile yabo umuntu abamfaka endleleni kwaba uLeon efuna ukulwa ngangiqala ukubona umkwena ethetha
nokwena bayibona ukuthi labantu bazidlalisa irafu bafuna ukwenza umathanda egroundini waphakama nomkwena waphakama ngono Leon babebuka ukuthi singafike silinyaze sikanjwe thina nani kodwa emva kwaloko abantu bangapenalize ngalendlela ekufanele baphelelweze ngayo
ne then what does it mean for Mamelodi Sundowns to win iCAF?
Phela ke lapho ke amanye amakhaphu aba reduced well ake ngithi nje ngingeyena umlandeli weSundowns but ukwazi abadlali abafana noMdawu hayi cha kubafanele bafethu ukuthi abamesi Champions League
hayi nami ngangisho
uMdawu umdlalo oyedwa kwi team umdlalo oyedwa kwi-national yabona abadlali abakwenza ukuthi ulithande ibhola ulilangazelele hayi laphana mfethu uhlatshwa ngeslide ekugcwala intokozo ukuthi ungwase Europe ungwase South Africa ungwase gijinywa ngepace A1 mfethu yezo ngepace A1 no coach uma ngabe selele uyikatshelwe ukuthi yenza njani nakhona futhi enze njalo ucoach iexperience bayiphethe yonke ikhwameni omdawu iexperience kubafanele ukuthi bayiwine iCAF phezu kwencindezelo yakwa PSL nencindezelo yamateam ase-Africa no referee bayo kudlalwe ethe temperature ethe 40 something degrees ukushisa yayi inactive iSundowns kuloya mdlalo kwakufanele idliwe noma ngo4-0 ama conditions engavumi yabo yayijabule leya team cause used to kodwa yabekezela iSundowns yathi hayi ikhona ihome game ngakithi iweather iright iground likhulu sizonikhombisa nathi yaba persistence iteam njalo ke ngeke uyidlele umona mangabe umlandeli webhola ungasalandeli iteam umlandeli belimnandi yabona umgqeqo weSundowns kwiCAF bomnandi wonke iwatholile amaluzi abamangaka amaluzi
kwiCAF
awabanga yi2
about 2
yabo
about kuma group stages kuma group stages
kuma group stages nama draw futhi yawathola okuchaza
ukuthi ayibanga ngikhumbula idliwe istadium elini le
ngo2-1
bayisha ngo2-0 iSundowns before be qualify ama semi-finals ama quarter finals yeah ngikhumbula iphinde shower I think ama draws yeah yadliwa away ama draws angikhumbuli kahle so bafethu ukuwina kweSundowns kusho likhulu bafethu eSouth Africa not for South Africa Southern football bafethu because we can't always be dominated by northern teams North African teams we can't bafethu we can't yabona bafethu ngajabula kabi if iSundowns ingayiwini iCAF Champions League iwine iPirates yabo noma iwine yipi team la eSouthern Africa yabo bazi nje ukuthi ama African champions ala enzansi njalo mina mfethu ama CAF Champions League final angiwabuki yabo ngibona makudlala iSouth African team because ngiyazi vele ukuthi not vele yabo bazodlala nje umbhedo nje la umbhedo abawudlalayo yabo so bafethu we are pleading with iPSL siyazi ukuthi niyayibuka ama videos enu bafethu yelana ukucindezela ama team adlala iCAF Champions League yabo ngeke uzungitshela ukuthi enye team ine right ukuthi ingakwazi ukuyihlehlisa igame bafethu we are pleading with iPSL bafethu siyazi ukuthi ama videos ethu niyabona so bafethu yekelani ukucindezela iteam edlala iChampions League to be specific nje yelana ukucindezela iMamelodi Sundowns iSundowns uwine kanzima le CAF ama games yipi team this year 2026 eke yadlala ama games of 7 in 21 days ayikho mhlaba wonke ayikho yabo musana ukupressa ama players like inyamazane noma izinje kumele izingele no ngeke uzungitshela ukuthi wena uthi iOPT ine right ukungayihlehlisa wena PSL kumele bathi ukuthi ihlehlisa igame because iSundowns is congested with ama fixtures iOPT lengafuna ukusondeza imidlalo noma ihlehlise emidlalo nePirates neMamelodi Sundowns mayisidlala nePirates uyawuthatha umdlalo uyise stadium esikhulu yabo kodwa medlala neMamelodi Sundowns ise elokhunjini stadium esincane la bezoba khona neadvantage khona not only that ingafuna ukuhlehlisa imidlalo mayifika ngale ifika bakorele even ama goals no lento le isenze sibukeke nje angazi njengani this is unprofessional
njenge league
amahlathi nje mfethu so siyabonga nje oPT College bafethu ngicela ngaphinde nibuye kuPSL siyabonga ngani si right nje ngani ngamahlathi
and futhi PSL safa sidinga iteam ezo representa iSouth Africa kuma intercontinental games yes sidinga iteam ezo representa iSouth Africa ukucompete neteam yase Europe ewine iUEFA Champions League yabo because ama intercontinental azodlala iSundowns izothola iteam ezowina ngapha eAmerica idlale nayo after nenye internet ezodlala le e-Europe again.
Okay.
So izocompete lapho iLokhujana iSundowns. So if ithola isupport iLokhujana, if i-team ikwazi ukuthi ithola isupport eyifanele ingagqilazeki ngalendlela egqilazeka ngayo, izokwazi ukuthi iwawine lama games lawo. And futhi lama games awadlalelwa mahala, kunama cup atholakalayo, kunemali etholakala. I-status se-league siyaba phezulu. Kufuneka i-sports esithathu kwi-CAF Champions League. So if i-team ikwazi ukurepresenta right i-South Africa iwine lama games, kuzohamba kuvuleke esinye ispace kwi-CAF Champions League. Emva kwaloko bese kuncelwa ulwazi kubantu abanama CAF Champions League finals amaningi nama semi-finals amaningi nama CAF amaningi. Yabo, akwazi ukuthi ama team abe lapha. Inamba yama CAF Champions League Al Ahly fanele ikhavwe. Manje makwenzeka kanje kuba khona i-team ecindezelekayo, angeke kuze kulingwane ngoba bazi ukuthi lapha eAfrica ama team ama northern team i-CAF eyabo. Abalandeli abakhona ngendlela ababhe bazi ukuthi nina nideserve ukudlala i-CAF Champions League. Sizonibhuwisha sishaye sijikijela abadlali sibashaya abadlali ngezinto egroundini, bathathe lama laser lawo baxhophe goalkeeper nabadlali ngobani akufanele i-team yase Southern i-rise iwini i-Champions League. So bese kuzoba uPSL noSAFA futhi bazocindezela le team.
Yeah, but mina I think ifethu iSundowns is doing good, yes.
Yeah.
But emehlweni ePSL noma iSAFA or whoever is in charge lapha, this is not the right team to represent South Africa. Bafuna ngathi ngaba amanye ama teams thizeni singeswabali ukuthi yabona ngoba ngithi mina ngiyayifuna iPirates idlale iye kuma stages lawa phezulu ko semi final. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi ama Lokhunja ngeke ezehlehlizwe nama games abo. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi bazowadlala in 7 games in 21 days. In 3 days kanje ngifuna ukubona lokho. Ngeke sithule bafethu nenza into engekho just. This is unjust. So hlezi sisho thina noma abantu bengas-unfollowa noma bengenzani, ngeke bafethu sikhuluma amanga noma sihleke into ibheda. iSundowns iwinile iLokhunja CAF kodwa iwine kanzima. Wakayibona lento le fethu ama team buka eEgypt, unumber 1 unumber 2 nonumber 3, the last 3 games bawadlale kanye ngesikhathi esifanayo. Yabo, ngakuzungitshela ukuthi iSundowns yayiqeda igame yayo, last game yayo yokugcina iOrlando Pirates kumele idlale a week later. No, that is not fair because into kuzube unjust. Yabona phela mase ngazi ukuthi kumele ngiwine lama games lawo ukuze ngithathe league. Iqala lapho corruption.
Yeah.
Because I will do whatever it takes ukuthi ngiwine lapho because uma ngingazi madlala kanye nama direct competitors
yeah,
ngizokwazi ngani ukuthi kumele kwenziwani ngoba phela ngizobona after ukuthi isani bawinile noma ngiwinile, yes. Yabo, lento la ukuthi ngingawina umuntu eqede 2 weeks earlier than you.
Yeah.
If iSundowns, if iPirates ayiwina ngalomdlalo weOrbit abayikorelanga ama own goals, ezo celebrate nini iLokhunja ileague ngoba iSundowns yayile saso celebrate nini sasingesiyibone ama champions awin ileague.
Yeah,
ubuhlathi
kwakuyolinda ukuthi azabuye kuma ecrown ucrowna ileague udlala enye competition uyayiwina, usuyahamba estadium uyolindela indebe, hayi ukuthi udlala umdlalo wawina kwase kuzikhaya.
Yini leyo nto leyo ngoba phela kuyaphoqa yabona futhi iSundowns kumele imove njenge Al Ahly, yabo, kuthi mayidlala lama team amankulu lama games amakhulu ne Chiefs ne-Pirates kubizwa abadlali babizwa oref bale phesheya. Yenze njalo iAl Ahly mayidlala nePyramids noma idlala neZamalek kubizwa oref lwaphesheya ne-VAR siyayicela bafethu hayi kabi. So ukuwina kweMamelodi Sundowns, congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns bafethu. Abadlali abafana noMdawu, Williams, Primo Diba, Themba Zwane, baningi bafethu. Mina ngibona ngazathi this is a well deserved reward. Cabanga nje uMdawu se retire without the Champions League.
Yeah, futhi yesibili.
Yokuqala kubena
uMdawu.
Yeah.
Uzwane yesibili.
Yeah, uZwane noOnyanga wo2. So bafethu ukuwina ukuwina kweMamelodi Sundowns for a South African team njengamanje siyodlala ama-Continental Cups. So ama-cups engawawina angithi remember sinama-continent amangakhawu 6. So i-UEFA izomelwa yini PSG. Then i-Africa izomelwa yini Mamelodi Sundowns. Then i-Asia izomelwa yi-Al Ahly, le Al Ahly le no I. Then bese kuba ile Brazil South America. Then bese kuba ile lokhunja ile North America. Then bese kuba yini laba khona laba abanye ngibakhohlayo. Kodwa ke laba because iMamelodi Sundowns is rank higher then lawa kuzoba khona iAsia, African Pacific. Ilaba base Pacific ngibakhohlayo ukuthi obana bawinini. Then iAsia nePacific bazodlala because bazodlala bodwa. Because ilokhunja Sundowns is rank higher than both of them.
Yeah.
Then ozowina between kwe-Al Ahly nale Pacific team. Pacific team le imeli Pacific. Then sakhumbula igama la. Then bazoza bezodlala neSundowns nge-9 September. Le kwi-home ground yeSundowns. Uma iSundowns iwina leyo cup leyo, kuzobe kuyicup yokuqala ngqa eSouth Africa, eSouthern Africa, ukuthi sithole iAsian Pacific Cup, African Pacific Asian Cup. Yabo kuzobe eqala uma iwina leyo. Angithi laba bawu3, iAsia, iPacific, iAfrica bawu3. Then bese kuba remember iEurope iMix final. Then lama Brazilian iNorth neSouth bazodlala bona nabo iCup yabo. Then ozowina between iSundowns nalo owinile lapha between iAsia neAl Ahly nale enye team. Then sebezokwazi bezodlala enye futhi ilokhunja iCup. Uzowina ngapha kwiNorth nangapha la elokhunja ePretoria. Lese iSundowns iyawina iqubula iCup, iAsian Pacific Cup. Then mayiwina futhi idlala nama-Brazilian nama-Americans ne-Brazilian. Ma-Americans iNorth neSouth. Then i-Challenger Cup leyo. Then ozowina i-Challenger Cup. Then useyodlala i-FIFA Continental Cup nani ne-PSG because PSG mabeyiwina because they are ranked higher than everyone. Bakwi-final automatically. So it can happen ukuthi ubone iMamelodi Sundowns idlala nePSG. And hayi ukuthi badlala ukuthi ifriendly omunye uzoshiya abadlali bakhe ababalekile. Because umuntu ozowina lapha uzoba ne-golden badge. Uzoba ne-golden badge la. So I think it's very doable. Then uzongitshela ukuthi kumele uyeke lawo macup ngoba nakho udlala neOrbit College. Orbit College ayifuna ukuhlehlisa imidlalo. Ithi PSL thina singene.
Anizweni nje.
Uyodlala nePSG kwifinal. Into ezobubuka umhlaba wonke. Ithi Orbit asingeni thina sinifuna nila.
Yeah.
Nidlala kumele nidlale nge-10 nePSG. Ithi Orbit College nge-6 sinifuna la. Sambe uthatha 20-hour flight uhambe. This is not fair.
Bese ke uzongitshela ukuthi iSundowns izojabulela ukuqukula iMTN 8 ekubeni inephupho lokubhekana nePSG kwiFIFA Intercontinental Cup.
Yes.
Uyayibona ukuthi leyo cup phela ilandela iClub World Cup.
Because i-team ewina lapho iba unumber 1 mhlaba wonke while waiting iFIFA World Cup. Because ushaya bompetha.
Yeah, while waiting iClub World Cup. Yabo. So manje inama big dreams then big dreams than winning ama MTN 8. Ukuqukula iCAF. Kusapressa wonke ama-cup akhona la eSouth Africa. Imali yakhona i-recognition.
We are African champions.
Thola i-recognition ya FIFA. Yabo. Thola i-recognition ya
You qualify for Club World Cup.
Yabo.
The highest stage of the club football.
Angithi yabona.
Yabo ifootball iyahlangana manje kuba into eyodwa manje. Because abantu bayazi Mamelodi Sundowns from the previous Club World Cup and besidlala iClub World Cup yabo yesibili.
Yeah. Then size ke manje.
So before singene lapho, so bafethu iPSL need to adjust ilokhunje iMamelodi Sundowns ilapha phezulu iPSL need to catch up bafethu they need to catch up even if they bayinweba because ngakuzungitshele ngempela ukuthi labantu samele betravel wena uzongitshela ukuthi they must honor their games no lesi ukuthi kuyophoqa ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns mayiqhubeka win iCAF Champions League kuyomela ibe no A team no B team aba recognize aba officially iqashe omunye ucoach ozocoacha la eSouth Africa which is madness into engakaze yenzeke yabo so uzothi hayi sekuqasha uRolani uzocoacha ilocal team yeSundowns asayinela abantu abadlali bakhe uzokuthi iMamelodi Sundowns iyadlala eCairo iyadlala nala which is madness into engakaze because there are some people who don't want to catch up because maningi shuthi thina sidalela ukuthi singadlali iCAF Champions League sidalela ukuthi singadlala ama-FIFA Continental Cups no lento kumele ishintshe bafethu kumele ishintshe and iVAR siyayicela ayikabi uminister wanika imali sicela iVAR sorry singaqhubeka
hayi no bengithi singena la kuma nominations squad
before singene kwisquad bafethu remember abantu abarelegatiwe nabantu abadlala ama playoffs nabantu ababuyayo so angithi ilokhunje iMagesi which is not fair bafethu kwiMagesi iMagesi ayikwazi ukukora amagoli awu2 bese nerelegate ayikho right leyo nto leyo not iMagesi Orbit College ayikwazi ukukora 2 goals bese nerelegate yabo because manje irelegatiwe iMagesi bidlala ama playoffs iOrbit College irelegatiwe yanyuka iKrook iKrook inyukile another 6 points for Orlando Pirates for Mamelodi Sundowns for Kaizer Chiefs 6 points nje obhuti abadala Kruger ngicela ubanike ayixoxisi leyo then ungadlala ke nalabo abanye kodwa nje Orlando Pirates Kaizer Chiefs Mamelodi Sundowns u6 point lo ungaxoxisi then iMagesi ibidlala namhlanje iplayoff neMilford cishe yabuya iMagesi ikorile first half because ibina 4 points iMilford ina 6 points yakora yaba na 7 points so yathola ke ipenalty iMilford yayishaya phakathi kwaba idraw so iMilford yaba na 7 points iMagesi yaba na ngakhe yaba na 5 so iMagesi is officially relegated iMilford FC isifikile kwilokhunje kwiPSL kwiBetway Premiership so bafethu as abantu base KZN sesinama team amangaki manje adlalela ilokhunje Premier League awu5 AmaZulu uSuthu iGolden Arrows abafana besithende then bese kuba iRichards Bay abafana basemhlathuze the Rich Boys then bese kuba iDurban City abafana basesithawa then manje sekuyiMilford and sibuya iMilford yaseBay ngathi izobisebenzisa umhlathuze na angazi so kusazoshuba
sengenzeka noma hey
yabona mawuthi izodlala lapha elokhunjeni hayi bafanele iKZN iyadominate manje ngama team alokhunje iyafika and futhi leyo nto izonyusa umnotho because shuthi sesinama games alako a confirmed nje i-team ngayinye isinika igame eyodwa so shuthi ama game of 15 adlala la KZN for ilokhunje ilokhunje shuthi ayakhula so 15 for ilokhunje AmaZulu because angithi adlala home adlale elokhunjeni
away
yes 15 30 45 60 75 shuthi nje kwiPSL sinama games of 75 azobedlala la KZN yabo singabala ama cups singabali lokho
seyiligi
yodwa hayi congratulations bafethu hlangana Zulu then sekuyisquad remember bafethu isquad sidliwe iMexico iMexico idlile ucoach usidunusisile bafethu sibuyibona kanjani igame from starting 11 nje
hayi mina nje la kwibafana hayi ngizoqala nje ngisho ekungihlekisile hayi abalandeli beKaizer Fish bangiqedile ngensini ha hayi ngize ngakhopha ngadownload enye ivideo
benzani abalandeli beKaizer Chiefs
kuvele uHugo Bross ngapha kwesokunxele kwesokudla kuvele uPeterson kwase kudlala ingoma le ethi cela ungitshele mhla wawushiya mina wawuthembeni na yabo right ake sibuye ke singene kulokhojana kwigame hayi ngithe mangibuka mina uzongicorrecta manginephutha idefense yethu kukhona uSibisi okay kukhona uMbokazi kukhona uModiba uMdawu ngifuna lo Okone angithi Okone i-central back okay ake ngibayeke lapha uModiba noMdawu uno Okone unoSibisi unoMbokazi ama central backs way3 egemini eyi1 hayi no ayinkunzi coach yabona ukubani ula eduze ngangiyamxhawula hayi ngangiyamxhawula okay i-strategy bekuyo defender lapha phaswini khona ulokhujana umkwena uAdams no bani no Sithole bese kuba ule umfana Leni no nalo striker sapheshe engingafuni ukusibiza ngegama so into eyenzakalile bengibuka mfethu uMbokazi ubefaka ama long ball ayaphambili
nakhona bese ku second half
ukudlalisa ama strikers cause ibafana ibiyele ukuyo defender biyele kuyo defender bazame uze wakhuphuka cishe second half uMdawu sekhuphuka lapha sebe kusho ukuthi se cover ilokhujana isikhala sama wing ama wing abengekho siyibiza ngokuthiwani ke le yanto ebenziwe ilokhujana ngoba phela uzo defender awukakadlali ngisho 10 minutes usuya defender
mfethu nanokuthi nje yabo ngoba phela akumele criticize ama player kangaka because they are watching this and they feel yabo but uHugo Bross siyamxayeka ngokuthi afake uyaya because uyaya kade agcina ukudlala uyaya belimele even isidlala la eAfrica belimele bengasadlali yabo bengasadlali uyaya yabo and nayo uyaya ubiza ibhola akasikenile wes alitrap nolitrap uthukile kusho uthukile akakwazi nokutrapa okay not ukuthi akakwazi ukutrap uhlulekile ukutrapa then kwenzeka igoli okay u80 minutes siya nje ko25 minutes uyayo yambona ukuthi asekho egamini akasekho egamini akasekho right coach why don't you save umdlali umkhiphe because akasekho egamini endlela wenza ngayo usenza into naye angayazi yabo abadlali abasafuna ukumphasela awumkhiphi ngani save the player from this criticism ekhona yabo ne backlash le ekhona khipha umdlali ufake uLokhunjo umunye nangu khona uLokhunjo umbatha
enye into futhi engeke ngangayisho yabona umdlali uma ethola ama games edlala ama games kulandelana edlala u90 minutes ukhipha uLokhujana uWilliams ukhipha uRight but semaningi kakhulu ama games awadlalile kusuka kwi-team kwi-Sundowns even nase squadini futhi uyawadlala ama games yabona ukuze uthole the best quality from yena ake kube khona lama game la ekuthiwa cha ngisacela ukuthi ke ngikubeke ke la uzomdonsa khona uzomfaka cishe noma ngathi umdlalo uyemapenadini mhlamba ngakubuyela nama Lokhujana ngoba uzoba revived umdlalo uyayidinga leyo nto leyo ukuthi no man kubuye iform yakhe so that azokhumbula every time ukuthi ama back pass ayingozi yabo so angisho ukuthi ngifuna ukumgxeka nani mina ngokwami ukuthi i-reviveness ke ithi ukubuya ke kufa phela ngithi kusese ama early games la kuma groups so angeke kube neeffect zeni ukuthi usalokhuchile usabekiwe la kuthola abantu so that uma sekufika lama games la uthi no ndoda ke yabona ke la ngidinga wena wake wadlala against le squad lesi wangwinisa wasave wadlala kamnandi awubuye futhi uzonge because ama team agadlala against Bafana sebeyabaza abadlali bebe Bafana through ukuthi Sundowns angithi Sundowns idlala ama competitions amaningi so if kukhona abadlali the usual sebeyazi ukuthi hayi no sizodlala neSouth Africa obvious the usual suspect udlala nabantu sebeyakwazi ukuthi uzofaka obani egroundini labo bani badlala kanjani as a coach we national team uyabaza abadlali beSundowns badlala ama competitions amaningi qhamuka ke ne strategy esisha uwa surprise amazwe ukuthi basifakela abantu ke uqhamuke ngondamane abamazi undamane uqhamuke ngaye lapha kwi defense ufaka ama winger lapha ya and futhi ngisasho namanje we do need dribbling wizard if there was a dribbling wizard iSpain ungasishaya even nango 3 goals to 0 you got the best defense uphethe Sis udinga i dribbling wizard as I winger uthole umuntu ozokwazi ukuspecialize ngokushaya amagoli uyawe iSouth Africa bingawawina ama games awu 5 ingadliwanga we do need ilokhujana I dribbling wizard enebhola eli flavor lala eMzansi cause laba bantu labayana they know the kind of football la uma uzodlala njengabo uyalibamba ibhola uyaliphasa nalo uyaliba badlala lokho inika bani teka lelo bhola akeke kube khona something entsha abangayazi not ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi abantu bagibele ibhola nge-first minute no just like le bhola elinokudlalwa usalingi productive football uma ngibona ukuthi kuvalekile ngiyayibulala indoda ngideliver cross air boxing it's either ithola i-striker noma umuntu ogebhile ngale kuba yigoal siyamnid umuntu ozoba ne-creativity ene-dribbling phakathi
ngimshilo lojo
le squad esikhona njengamanje asinayo i-creativeness umdlalo creative okay basazolithola ithuba oApollos noMfukeng sisazobona but sibuya kwiPanama
but enye into engiyibonile
i-creativeness angizange ngiyibone waphela umdlalo ngo-0-0 so ukusho ukuthi i-creativeness asinayo eSouth Africa because sibuya kuma friendly games yini eyenzakala kuma friendly games no goals
but enye into engiyibonile lela ground ngathi belelikhulu leliya eMexico hayi le ground elikhulu leliya and not ukuthi ibingawene Bafana but not ukuthi sidlale kanje bafethu not ukuthi sidlale kanje those guys are fast they are very organized those ones hayi ba organized bafethu ngifuna nqamanga sithole ontanga ke lapha but hayi ukuthi sidlale kanje but bafethu asithembe lama games asele sithembe ukuthi coach uzohluza afaka ischeme esright yabo sidlala ngendlela esidlala ngayo mina ngiyakhetha futhi ukuthi ngidliwe ngendlela engiyaziyo yabo nokuthi ngidlale into engingayazi osibagcane nokudlala the highest football because abayidlala ngekef
yeah ne
uzomfaka kwi-World Cup
lama goal ekuthiwa njobe angenile ama goal ekudefendwe kukudefendwe ngale ndlela leyana angenile ama goal awu2 and futhi kulabo abayithanda kakhulu iBafana esenhlizweni congratulations ukuthi kuphuma ired card for uSithole angiyithandi imidlalo yeBafana nani kodwa i-favorite i-out ayise ucoach akasenayo i-team yokuthi afake i-favorite yakhe uyiref ubonile ukuthi ingubo zodwa eground lama ngiyifuna wahlaba ngered card zakwaSithole zahlala phansi sekuzoke ngena abantu abazodlala ibhola ke yeah ingubo zodwa ziphume ziyohlala ngaphandle
because udlala phesha akusho ukuthi untswempu hayi kuyasebenza nakuma agent
nako okone nje
abadlala ama second division then uzomqhathanisa nomuntu odlalela iPirates irregular status ePirates uzomqhathanisa nomuntu obuya ngadlali phesha ku second division
and yazi khona into engiyibonile
Pirates Orlando Pirates
ulokhujana babonene ulokhujana umkwena nombokazi ukuthi sicishe sikhahlele ngendlela efanayo epaleni.
benzani coach Lokhunja i-free kick lo yamjida lo Hugo Bruce
Hayi lapho simeni se-free kick angazi
ngoba bezoshawa nje free kick baze bayifunde uzibona ukuthi labadlali beMexico bahlani phela bayifundile ukuthi alo uzokhahlela kanje eyani leyo nto leyo yazi yanginyanyisa phethu lento leyo ukuthi umdlali afika ngathi uzoshaya bese shaya nje free kick kahle it's a free kick why uzofuna ukuyidlala
and lento leyana ifuna ukuthi usuyazi uthi okay okwami ukushaya ibhola lo ume like lo angithi umkwena kuzoba ngazathi yena uzodlula lishawe umbokazi kanti umkwena uzolifakela uLokhujana umbokazi ukuthi akhahle fanele liniyenze leyo nto ibe effective ibe fast not leya pass leyana ithatha isikhathi eside yathi ukugudla le kude uthe efika umbokazi ebholweni abadlali beMexico bese befikile ayisekho ke effective lo
uma kanjani mfethu uma kanjani ucheck ukuthi okay na engele ngizoyishaya because manje ucheck ukuthi okay ipengele ngizoyishaya usabhizi saxhuma usashona le yini yonke leyo nto leyo ngoba phela even abadlali abamela futhi bahamba bayogxisha laphana uma ukuthi kushayeka ipale noma iwoodwork ibuye belifinish hayi bazodlala la iSundowns futhi ithanda leyo nto leyo iyangicasula ngoba you have 90 minutes to play ball nayi khona nayi free kick ufuna ukuyidlala uyidlalelana ngoba ngabe uyishaya lapha uyideliver kubonakala ukuthi kwenziwani hayi uHugo Bruce ayisiyabonga mfethu siyabonga nje ukuthi uLokhunja lusisile kwi-World Cup ayisiyabonga
ushilo
noma ungasasusala ngalapho vele
Mr Content Creator
hayi noma ungasasusala ngalapha
angisazi ukuthi
sibukanisile nabantu
angisazi ukuthi ubani uke wathi ayi nabantu bakwaSithole nje kwakuthiwa abahamba abantu abangasiba la uthe abahambe nabakwaSithole bhola leli nidlalayo eyangena ama comment athi hayi wena uyasibhedela wathi uqinisile ukuthi ngempela bhola leli lidlalwe umuntu akwaSithole cha yingubo zodwa uSithole yabona kule game le uma ungamazi umuntu ozingubo zodwa buka le game ebafana against iMexico khona umuntu wakwaSithole yingubo zodwa ke lezo ke ngixoxela into ongayazi yabo punishable i-punishment yakhe ibhola li-intercept kuye kwayigol
ufunani lapha
secondly uthola futhi i-red card wenza into ezinkulu wena wede grounding ngiyakubona ukuLokhujana uzwane ube umuntu oyogebhela ibhola wasuka umdlali wazomfusha wazomngena useyamqhelisa ukuthi mfethu usuka ngiyahamba lo muntu loyana ubedlala uzwane bengadlala ibhola uzwane uthole i-red card due to ukuretaliate ususa umuntu yabo fanele i-VAR or referee uma kuyigol noma kungama incident baqala ukubheka the initial act ukuthi before kube yiLokhujana yigol akekho yini obe offside akekho yini obamba ibhola ngesandla then bese kuyocheckwa ke final act ukuthi bekuyi offside ngempela kule incident yazwane kucheckwe i-final result ye foul akubhekakalanga ukuthi before uzwana foul umuntu kwenzakaleni indaba ingakucheck iVAR ukuthi lo muntu kuze bamfawule wenzeni ikona kudlala yini ukudlala umuntu umngene kanje umngene lo muntu uyogap what if ubezolithola ibhola likhahlela epaleni kube yigoli phela sesiseduze ne18 area uzwana uyongena eboxini for ukubiza ibhola azolithola it's either uphasela umuntu osesikhaleni ozokora noma kushayena akora shuthi wena you are preventing i-move i-build up ye-goal kahle i-VAR bekumele ijudge i-foul i-favor uzwana kusi-red card leyana
ne vele ke thina ama-African countries sihlezi singawona ama-favorites so bafethu namhlanje kudlala i-Morocco versus i-Brazil yabo so thina ke si-South Africa bafethu so si-support i-Morocco ngesifane nalabo abanye abe support i-Mexico yabo so South Africa and Morocco versus undeveloped African countries ziyakhala bafethu danke siyabonga